Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make frock. So here is the basic draft of frock. First of all, we'll take the measurements. Here I'm taking all the measurement in inches. Round chest 18 inches, shoulder 8.5 inches, yoke length 6 inches, full length 20 inches. And 1.5 meter of fabric will be required to make this frock. So let's begin with the method. For bodice, full length A to B plus 2, 20 plus 2, 22 inches. Here I am taking full length of frock, right? Afterwards, we will make the bodice part first, then we will make the lower part of the frock. A to C, 1/4 of round chest plus 1/12 of round chest. That is 4.5 plus 1.5 equals to 6 inches. A to D is 1/3 of round chest, that is 6 inches. C to E is equals to A to D and D to E is equals to A to C. Then A to F, half of shoulder, that is 4.25 inches. F to F1, 1/4 of round chest, that is 4.25 inches. C to C1 is equals to F to F1 and match F1 to C1. A to G is equals to 1/12 of round chest, that is 1.5, or we will just make it in a round figure and take it 2 inches, or it depends on the type of neckline we are supposed to design. A to H is equals to A to G and G to G1 is equals to A to H. Then F to I, 0.5 inch down from the point F for shoulder line, because our shoulder is little or slightly tilt. Then we'll join G to I and mark the shoulder line. I to J, mid of I to F1 and J to J1, 0.5 inch inside towards the G1 point. Then A to K, 2 inches for back placket. We will not mark it or measure it in front bodice because frock will be open from the back side if we are giving opening at the back. So here I am taking extra 2 inches for placket. So A to K is equals to 2 inches for back placket. D to K1 is equals to A to K, that is also 2 inches, and will match K to K1. Simple. Now we'll shape back armhole by matching I, J and C1. Shape front armhole by matching I, J1 and C1. Mark neckline by matching G, G1 and H. Now we will mark the gather section or the lower part of the frock, that is D to D1. Here is the measurement for making gather according to the upper bodice, or it can be desirable if we want more or less gather. So here's the method: double of round chest minus 1/4 of round chest, that is round chest was 18 inches. So D to D1 is 36 minus 4.5, that is 31.5 inches. Now B to B1 is equals to D to D1, that is 31.5 inches, and we'll mark 2 inches from B to L upward for the fold that we took extra in full length. Now B1 to L1 is equals to B to L. Mark L to L1. This is the fold line. Mark grain line and on fold. On fold section will also be here in front bodice. Back bodice will cut from K to K1 because it will have 2 sections to make the placket, but in front bodice there will be on fold section as well as in the gathers part. And now we will cut the draft from dotted lines. As you can see, I've marked K to K1 for back section. For front, there will not be any cut from this A to D section. That's it. Your draft has been completed. Now come to the activity session. Prepare a draft of frock on bamboo paper following the same measurements. Thank you.